In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the Star of the West quilt block. The Star of the West quilt block dates back around 150 years, and it's a striking block which has a rich history and is simple and effective to use. So you can use it with other blocks or make a quilt with just the Star of the West quilt block. Let's get quilting. For this block, you'll need 4 of the orange at 4 inches unfinished, 4 of the white. You need 2 of the 4 7/8 unfinished of the white. I've actually cut that to 5 inches because it's just easier to do that rather than cut the 4 7/8 of an inch. You need 4 of the gold in that size and 2 of the teal. And then what you're going to do is you're going to sew these larger ones together to make the half square triangles, and I've got a separate video for that. Now we've got the half square triangles made, we're going to lay out each row, and then we're going to sew the individual rows together first. On the back of the pattern, you'll see that there is also the diagram on how to make the half square triangle, and you've got some fabric swatches here so you can stick your fabric, write some notes underneath. And then we've got a layout that you could possibly use with this block to make a quilt. I've laid out the squares as per the pattern, and I'm now going to sew each row together, and I'm going to use 1/4 inch seam allowance. And once I've sewn all those back together, I'm going to come back and show you the next stage of making this block. I've sewn all the rows together, and I just wanted to show you the back. I've just pressed these, and can you see that I've got the seams pressed one way on this row and then the opposite way on the other row. This is called nesting. So when we want to sew our rows together, the seams won't be facing the same way on each row, and it will just help nest those rows together. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm now going to sew each row together and our block will be finished. Here we have our finished Star of the West quilt block. I think it's a really striking block, and it measures at the moment 14.5 inches unfinished. So you put a few of those together, you'll quickly make a lovely quilt in no time at all. This is a free block if you subscribe to my newsletter. If you don't subscribe to my newsletter, you can still get this block for a small amount. Follow the link below in the description and it'll take you straight to my website for you to be able to purchase it. Thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this tutorial, please press the like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.